Here are my golden rules, I would call it, that will be constantly updated as well in future as I develop my own practical experience in future. But the main principles that I set to myself in doing the options trading are here. The first and very most important thing about trading, or the my view about trading, is it should be done just like a test match in cricket and not like a T20 or a one day international. Okay, I view trading not in the form of a quick money making program. I try to generate money out of options trading in a slow and steady manner and try to be consistently successful rather than being accurate and successful. The key point to understand here is I don't need to be right all the time, and nobody can be right all the time. So forget about accuracy here. Just focus on being consistent. And if you go wrong, accept that you went wrong and come out with less profits, keeping your ego aside and emotions out, and do the options trade. Do not try to trade based on predicting the market. Okay, you might have 100 different reasons to say that market can be moving up or down, but nobody can actually predict it all the time. If you had 100 reasons to say the direction of the market can have 1,000 reasons for taking the opposite direction. So try avoiding to predict the market. Risk management is key. Yes, this is very, very essential. What is the risk that you're taking, and what is the reward that you will get by taking that risk? Analyzing that information is very, very important to be successful in options trading. It is okay to come out with less profit than booking a huge loss. Most of you know this, but we try to forget it because of the emotional drain that we have in our mind, or the attachment that we have with the trades that we take in our early stages. So, learning it the hard way, keep in mind, be happy to accept that you were wrong and come out with less profit or minimal loss also, but do not end up wiping out your capital just because you had an gut feeling or an emotional attachment or an intellectual viewpoint towards the trade that you have taken. Never do that. Aim at a reasonable returns of 2 to 5% per month. Yes, this is actually not just a reasonable rate of return, but it is a very high rate of return, I would say. That's a fantastic return of aiming just 2 to 5%. If you're doing anything more than that, you are taking a very, very huge risk. Yes, you might be successful sometimes, but not all the time. And when you fall, you're going to fall long and deep. Keep it simple. Do not complicate trading with a lot of technical analysis, charts, indicators, and confuse yourself, because all that doesn't matter end of the day. And the only thing that is applicable for every option trader out there is whether he made it successful or not. Okay. And finally, always be prepared for the worst possible twist. Yes, you can have very strong reasons that you will be successful in doing this strategy today, but remember, a twist can always bring you down, and you need to be prepared for the worst possible twist, and always have all the weapons in your kitty and use them to fight against that with following the adjustment techniques to come out safe and profitable.